We are much obliged for your letter and estimate for the elastic web. Stop. But surely there must be some mistake in your figures. Stop. Please refer to your last letter to us dated 26th October, in which you gave us a distinctly better price. Stop. Manifestly, the postponement of the order for a week cannot possibly have made so great a difference in the price. Stop. We realize that the web is the best finish, as it is most important it should be, but you must try to improve upon your estimate, or you cannot hope to receive the order. Stop. You must be estimating, we think, on the assumption that the web is to be silk finished. Stop. That is not so, as you will see on referring to our last letter. Stop. If there is to be a resumption of business between us, your estimate will have to be reconsidered. Stop. All we ask for is a web with the best finish, but not silk, and of a tasteful design. Stop. What can you offer to tempt us to pass the order to you? Stop.